welcome back to another finger painting video. Today we're going to be painting a banana. These are the colors that you'll be needing: white, green, orange, yellow, brown, black, some paper, and your fingers. Don't forget to share your paintings with me on Instagram. Use the hashtag #ArtForKids. Let's begin. Dipping into our yellow, we are going to make a big moon shape. This is going to be the main body of our banana. We're gonna do a nice big giant banana, and our banana has to have its stem, so we're gonna do a little bit extra on one side, and using about 2 fingers width, we're going to make the rest of the banana. We're just gonna fill it in, make it nice and chunky, and then make a bottom that's kind of flat. Yeah, he's kind of flat. He's got some lumps. That's okay. We're gonna actually just fill in that banana. So we have a big yellow banana shape, but it doesn't quite look like a banana as of yet, so this is where we add our other colors. Going in with the green, we're going to do a little bit near the stem of the banana, the top of the banana. That is where we would have our green raw bits of banana, raw banana, where it's not so ripe. It's a little less ripe near the top of the banana, and we're just gonna kind of take that down a little bit onto our banana, and then we're gonna go in with our orange, because orange is kind of a very, I don't know, fresh banana might have a little bit of orange in the skin, so we're gonna add just a little bit. This is also going to help add some shadow. We need light and shadow in our banana, so we're just gonna put a little bit of orange on the banana. And actually, if we leave this spot right in the middle yellow, that's really going to make the banana look like it has 3 dimensions. It's gonna make it pop right off of that page. Going into our brown, we need to have a little bit of the black spots, the brown and black that you have with the banana. So I'm gonna tap into the brown and our black, and we're gonna mix that up a little bit, and just using my finger, I'm just going to throw a couple of dots, a couple of dabs at the bottom of the banana. And this is actually, bananas go up like this when they are, when they're growing. When they're growing, bananas point upwards. This would be the top spot, and this is the part that's connected to the plant. So this would be the most green, and this is going to get the most sunlight. We're gonna throw a couple of other brown spots, because this is when you know the banana is ripe, when it has some brown spots. When I was younger, I didn't like actually eating ripe bananas. I like to eat my bananas green. Though this is not quite the most tasty time to eat a banana. And we're gonna add a little bit to the top. We're gonna actually kind of sweep down, make it look like a hat or a 7 on top of our banana, and that's just gonna show where the cut spot of the banana is, because when you cut fruit or you cut vegetables, that part usually oxidizes or turns brown or black on almost any type of fruit. And we're gonna add a few more little spots because we can. We're just gonna make this banana look really ripe, super tasty, very sweet. Very, very sweet. And we're gonna go in with a little bit of white and add just a few highlights. So I'm gonna just pull it down a little bit. And this is going to make our banana just really like, whoa, that is a banana. That is a banana. And this is the fun thing about a banana and just different fruits and simple things, is it's your painting. It's nobody else's painting. So your banana is going to not look like my banana or anybody else's banana. It's going to reflect you and what you like. So maybe you want it a little bit less ripe. You throw a little bit of yellow on top of that brown. You add these layers, and in doing so, it's going to actually make your banana look a little bit more real and a little bit more like it's popping off the page and almost so good that you just want to pick it up and eat it. I don't know. That's what I'm thinking though. I really enjoyed this banana. I think it's a lot of fun. What do you guys think? I hope that you enjoyed this video and that you painted along with me. I hope that you will paint again with me sometime soon. Until next time.